What if I told you that the key to improving your energy, mood, and overall health might be sitting right inside your digestive system? Your gut contains trillions of bacteria that can either work for you or against you, and today I'm sharing 6 science-backed strategies that can help you create the healthiest gut microbiome possible. Before we dive in, I want to mention that this information is for educational purposes only and isn't intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical condition. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or health routine. Your gut microbiome is like a bustling city filled with different types of bacteria, and just like any thriving community, diversity is key. The healthier and more varied your gut bacteria, the better they can support your immune system, mental health, and even weight management. So let's explore 6 practical ways you can nurture this incredible ecosystem. Of course, everyone's body responds differently, and these strategies are meant to support general wellness rather than replace medical care. 1. Feed your gut bacteria with fiber-rich foods. Fiber is one of the most important nutrients for a healthy gut because it fuels beneficial bacteria. When these bacteria break down fiber, they produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids, which help support gut barrier function and overall digestive balance. The best sources of fiber come from a wide variety of plant foods: vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Each plant offers different fibers that nourish different bacterial strains, which is why variety matters. If your meals are mostly highly processed, your gut bacteria may struggle to thrive, which may contribute to a less supportive gut environment over time. Increasing fiber gradually can help your digestive system adjust more comfortably. 2. Add fermented foods to introduce beneficial bacteria. While fiber feeds the bacteria you already have, fermented foods introduce live microorganisms that can temporarily support your gut ecosystem. Foods like kefir, yogurt with live cultures, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and naturally fermented pickles are common examples. When shopping, look for options labeled live and active cultures, typically found in the refrigerated section. Different fermented foods affect people differently, so it's helpful to introduce them slowly and pay attention to how your body responds. Ideally, they should support regular, comfortable digestion. 3. Allow healthy microbial exposure from your environment. Humans evolved alongside a wide range of microbes, and modern research suggests that everyday exposure to diverse microorganisms may help support immune balance. Using regular soap and water instead of antibacterial products when possible, and limiting harsh chemical cleaners at home can help maintain this balance. Natural options like vinegar or Castile soap are often effective for routine cleaning. Spending time outdoors, gardening, interacting with pets, and being around other people all contribute to healthy microbial exposure without sacrificing hygiene. 4. Reduce highly processed foods that disrupt gut balance. Many ultra-processed foods contain additives such as emulsifiers, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives that research suggests may negatively influence gut bacteria. Choosing whole foods more often, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and minimally processed proteins, can help create an environment where beneficial bacteria thrive. Foods rich in natural compounds like polyphenols, such as berries and leafy greens, may also support gut and metabolic health when eaten regularly. 5. Use antibiotics thoughtfully and support prevention. Antibiotics can be life-saving when needed, but they don't distinguish between harmful and beneficial bacteria. Research shows that even a single course can significantly reduce gut bacterial diversity. Supporting immune health through adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, regular movement, and stress management may help reduce unnecessary antibiotic use. Including fermented foods as part of your routine can also support microbial balance. If antibiotics are medically necessary, consider discussing gut supportive strategies with your healthcare provider. These ideas are meant to support everyday gut health and aren't intended to treat specific medical conditions. 6. Support your gut by managing stress while eating. The gut and brain are closely connected, and stress can influence digestion by altering gut movement and microbial balance. Before meals, slowing down, breathing deeply, and eating without distractions can help activate your body's rest and digest response. Practices like mindfulness, adequate sleep, and shared meals also support both emotional well-being and digestive comfort. So when you look at all of this together, Your gut microbiome is incredibly responsive to how you eat, move, rest, and manage stress. While long-term habits matter most, many people notice improvements in digestion, energy, and overall well-being within a few weeks of consistent changes. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 steps. Add more fiber, try a fermented food, or slow down during meals. Small, consistent actions often lead to the most sustainable results. Think of your gut as an internal ecosystem that responds to care and attention. Every nourishing choice supports long-term wellness. What's one small change you're excited to try this week to support your gut health? Let me know in the comments below, and remember, every positive step is an investment in your long-term well-being.